Okay, so looking at our triangle here, I can see that we actually have a couple different triangles. So I'm going to start out, I'm going to go ahead and outline these triangles in different colors so we can get a better idea of what's going on. So the first thing I see is this larger triangle, and that's triangle SRE. And that's our big triangle, which I've outlined in red. I see another triangle, which is triangle RZE, which I'm outlining in green. And we have one final triangle I want to notice, and that is this triangle up here. And so that is triangle SCR. Okay, now we have a lot going on our picture, lots of different colors, so I'm going to redraw my triangles separately. I'm going to start with the big triangle, so triangle SRE. I'm going to add my right angle in. This is triangle SRE. Then I want to draw my green triangle. So this is triangle RCE. I'm going to add my right angle. And our last triangle we want to draw is triangle SCR. Again, adding that right angle, so SCR. Okay, so now we can go ahead and come in and add some side lengths to our triangle. I want to start with the biggest triangle because I know all the side lengths of our largest triangle here. So the side length of SR is 33. The side length of SE is 55. And RE is 44. Okay, now I'm going to look at our green triangle, and I can see that it has side length RE here, and RE is 44. So I can go ahead and add that here. I also notice that it has RZ right here, and that is side length I. That's what we're solving for today. So I'm going to go ahead and add I here. All right, we don't know side length ZE. We know it's less than 55, but we don't know an exact number, so we're just going to leave that blank for now. All right, now looking at our smallest triangle, we see it has side length SR, and SR up here, we know it's 33, so we can add that in. And we also see it has side length RZ. But this time it's the base of our triangle, it's the longest leg, and that is I again, RZ. Okay, so now we need to set up some proportions, which we can. So for our largest triangle, I know all three side lengths, and then for my smaller triangles, I have pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and use my green triangle and use this 44 and I, and compare that to my 55 and 33. So we're matching up our hypotenuse and our left side, and our hypotenuse and our left side. Okay, so we're going to start off, and I'm going to start with my big red triangle. I'm going to have that be my first proportion I set up. So that is going to be 55 over 33 is equal to, and I want to compare that to my proportion in here, so 44 over I, 44 over I, and now we're just cross multiplying, so we're going to have 55 I is equal to 33, 33 times 44, so 33 times 44, that is going to be 1,452. And then we're going to divide by 55 on both sides to get I alone. And I is going to be equal to 1,452 divided by 55, and I is going to be 26.4. It's worth noting that we could set up our proportion another way. So if we wanted to check our work for this, we could try using our proportion in our blue triangle too, just to make sure that we really did get the right value for I. So if we were to set that up, we would match 55 over 44 and 33 in I. So let's just double check that proportion here. So we'd have 55 over 44 is equal to 33 over I. And then again, we would end up with 55I is equal to 33 times 44, which we already know is 1,452. And when we divide this by 55, so we're going to divide by 55, divide by 55, I is equal to 26.4. So you can use either of these proportions. So first we matched up 55 and 33 and 44 and I, and then we matched up 55 and 44 and 33 and I. So you can set it up either way, but we got I is equal to 26.4.